Another great feature I want to point out is the whiteboard. So when you click to share your screen, the whiteboard option will automatically appear. I select the whiteboard and I will then click share. Now this whiteboard works just as any whiteboard normally would. You can write, you can even do spotlights, and this option is really good if any instructor needs to work out a problem in real time. Another great feature about this whiteboard is that any of your participants who are in your Zoom meeting can add their own annotations to your whiteboard. So if you start a problem here and you can easily copy and paste any text of a math problem, as you are working out the math problem, you can call upon anyone who's participating and they would have the option to annotate the whiteboard and add their own responses to this whiteboard. You're also able to undo, redo, clear all drawings, or clear the viewer's drawing. So I'm going to click clear viewers drawings. And now the only drawing that is left behind are the ones that the host had made. You're also able to save this whiteboard and click show in folder, and here you can see the whiteboards that have been saved from any of your Zoom meetings. Once you are done with this feature of annotating, you would click this little red X here, and then you can stop share to remove the whiteboard from your Zoom.